Hey guys, welcome back to another video. There is a new themed cards, which is called Trippy Doubles, and there is a free press your dunk. The card art is looking good. There is a new Larry Bird card with Kareem. Those are the cards that I really want. Oh my god, there's even Wilt Chamberlain. He is the greatest defensive center in the game in my opinion. This Oscar Robertson will be nice too. I really hope next week event's final reward will be Larry Bird, together with Kareem Abdul Jabbar. Let's open the press your dunk now. Oops, guess it's not my day today. It's all good. This might be my new favorite theme. I would definitely try to craft this labyrinth. I'm gonna grind a bit for the king of the court. I will only grind until I get the collectibles. I see you guys a few hours later.
3 hours later.
Hey guys, it's been a few hours and this is my progress. Just a few more games and I can get the collectibles. Let's get into the gameplays. Let's go. We get all the collectibles. Hopefully we can get more in the future and we get to craft. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you all. See you in the next one. Let's try him out.